I thought it would be helpful to look a little bit more at this Elgar Salute d'Amour, because it is a little bit complicated when you start looking into it. So I'm going to go from the beginning. The first two bars are split between the two hands, left and right, but both in the bass clef. So you're down here, all right? And straight away you get this offbeat rhythm in the right hand, which then transfers to the left hand from bar 3 onwards. So it's 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and that's a feature all the way through. The first chord is a bit longer, the second chord is naturally a little bit shorter and a bit quieter as well. So 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and, okay? The first count, of course, is kicked off by a minim in the left hand. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, okay? And the pedal stays through all the way to that. Then there's a break, so the pedal doesn't indicate that the pedal carries over. So once the melody comes in at bar 3, we have a tiny, tiny break in the sound. Like that. So it really is a little introduction and then you start. So just continuing with the left hand then, once you get to bar 3, the left hand holds the bottom note, and if possible, practice trying to join them. So I'm on to bar 6 now. Okay, then there's a break again. So you move to the D, C sharp, and B. I'm not sure how far we went, actually. I can't remember. I'm not sure we went as far as that. But yeah, you just check the pedal, because sometimes it's legato where it's got the little up and down sign. But if it comes up and then is separated from the next pedal marking, there is a break. The foot comes up when you release the piano keys. All right, and they would be Elgar's own markings. So we will do what's printed. So just look at that left hand again and practice from bar 3. Practice with the pedal if you like. Up, down on the F sharp. Up, down on the E. And it has to be quite a swift up, down with a foot. Up, down afresh. Up, down. Up, down. I'm just going to stop there because I'm not sure we'd need to go that far. All right. Then you can add the chords. Now the chords generally are 2 and thumb, 2 and thumb, 2 and thumb. All right, I'm just going to go to bar 6 actually. All right, so they are the offbeat chords. So start with the pedal down with the D minim, and 2 and up, down, up, down, up, down, then up, and then it'll be down afresh with the next bar. Okay, just watch that again. So pedal down with the first D, the minim D, bar 3 this is, down, then offbeat, join minims and change the pedal, join the minim, change the pedal, join the minim, change the pedal, then up and then down with the next one. I don't want you to get a feeling that we stop the music there, because the music doesn't stop. It just has, you just break the sound and start again with a fresh bar. Bar 6 is a little bit unusual in that you play the A minim, C sharp, and then repeat the C sharp with another note, the E. So it doesn't follow quite the pattern of the previous 3 bars there. The right hand, after the introduction bars, where treble clef sign comes in, so we're back up here now. So we've moved from down here up to F sharp. Just the melody. Bar 6, you change the finger to the 5 to go down to A. So I'm just going to go from there, or go up to there. So once again from bar 3, just feel the beat nice and slowly. Chain, I go a little bit quieter, a bit lighter. So you shorten the note to a quaver there. So it's meant to be much quieter and a much lesser note than the G in that bar. So if we put it hands together, I'll go from the beginning, pedal down, offbeat, repeat the note, but join the left. Just watch that bar 6 again, it's a bit confusing. So you have A and G, then the left hand F sharp, then the right hand A, then the chord, and then everything should have come off in the right hand. Okay, what you can do is play the melody in the right hand with just the minims in the left hand. Sorry, start again. The note's right, so D, F sharp, E, A. Okay, I'll do it once again because I did make a mess of it. So I'm starting bar 3. Okay, so that's the bare bones of the music really. That's this structure, and then this little accompaniment chord is filling in the harmony in the middle. But the bare bones, the top part and the very lowest part, are the parts that sustain all the way through, that keep everything smooth and held together. The chords in the middle are just incidental, so they need to be a lot less. Okay, I'm not going to go through the other bars because I think you're fine. Well, maybe I'll just do bar 25 to 26. I'm just starting at the end of bar 25, where we hit this E quite firmly with your little finger. Then you use the D to join to the next chord. I've forgotten what fingering you're doing. I think you're doing that and that. So sorry, I can't remember now if you're changing the finger there or not. I won't show you. I need to check your copy for that. The left hand, we've just joined the accompaniment in for those couple of R's. So it's E, then you have to reach down for the A, and then just span your thumb. So get used to playing that, so you're fairly comfortable with it. So it's quite gentle, it's not too firm. So I think I'll have to leave the right hand until I've checked your fingering.